The Chemistry Discovery Kit from Clementoni is an engaging educational tool designed for children 8 years and older, offering a hands-on introduction to the wonders of chemistry. Packed with essential lab equipment like safety goggles, test tubes, and a pipette, this kit ensures that young scientists can carry out experiments safely and effectively. With over 50 experiments to explore, children will be captivated by the fascinating chemical reactions they can observe and learn about, all guided by a detailed, illustrated manual. This kit not only promotes learning, but also enhances a child's creativity and problem-solving skills as they experiment like real scientists. Inspiring a love for science, the Chemistry Discovery Kit is perfect for budding scientists eager to discover the magic of chemistry through fun and educational play. Clementoni has crafted this kit with a focus on ethical integrity and educational value, ensuring that each experiment is both safe and enjoyable for children.